Hello aspirants, welcome to General Studies. NTPC Limited, a Govt of India enterprise. NTPC is looking for experienced professionals for its operation function as per details mentioned below. Name of the post assistant executive, operation, vacancies 400. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates should log on to website careers.npc.co.in or visit careers section at www.npc.co.in for viewing detailed eligibility criteria, qualification and experience requirement, job profile, remuneration details, other terms and conditions, full text of the advertisement, and for applying. The online application portal will remain open from the 15th of February 2025 to the 3rd of January 2025. Only online mode of application will be accepted. Any further addendum, corrigendum updates will only be published on website. Commencement of online application, the 15th of February 2025. Last date for online application, the 3rd of January 2025. For more information about this notification like category ways, vacancy details and all, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.